Please stand by. 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 Please stand by.
Good afternoon, my fellow Americans. This is Eden speaking to you for the final time, I'm assuming, or at least for the final time. I wish everyone can have a happy Independence Day, but it looks like we cannot. My fellow Americans, the following message I'm about to give you right now has been given authorization at the release of the President, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the North American Aerospace Defense Command. This is not a test. I'm gonna say this one more time. This is not a test. Pay attention to this, Lord, as this is very hard to comprehend. At approximately 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time, many reports of the Majora's mass is going to collide with Earth in the next 24 to 30 hours. This means that all life on Earth will perish due to this catastrophic cataclysm event. All residents in the United States, gather your friends and families and pray our final moments together. I'm going to read Romans 8:11. Okay, let me find 11 real quick. Romans 8:11. Romans 8:12. Therefore, brothers and sisters, we have an obligation, but it is not to the flesh. For you will live according to the flesh, or you will die. This concludes the last activation of the emergency alert system. May God bless you all, and may God bless the United States of America, and furthermore, the world. I love you. May God bless you. Goodbye.